Nice shade.
Well, Susie, let Dr. Sam check out your teeth.
But I just put on makeup. Sorry.
What a bummer.
Phew. That was close. Oh, I love cat videos.
Susie, have you eaten yet? I've got to check if you have caries, or better yet, cavities in there.
Oh no, I'm still eating. I'm starving.
Susan, show me your teeth. As a dentist, I need to practice, because this patient has a very small mouth.
Why didn't you just say that? I know how to help you. Come on.
Finally! Woohoo!
Hi, guys. It's not easy to refuse Sam and not show him the slightest doubt about his talent.
I don't see what there is to doubt, Susan. Everybody knows that I'm as good as a dentist as I am a crafter. What are you doing?
While you were bragging, I've prepared the first piece for our craft. Now we just need to cut it out. Hup! That was fast.
And how does this relate to dentistry?
Ah, watch this. And we've got ourselves a cutting line. Guys, be very careful and don't rush at this stage. You might want to ask an adult to help.
Now I get it! Well done, Sue! Dr. Sam approves!
Oh, num num.
Ah!
But we need to make a few more cuts. Just don't cut the cardboard all the way through, guys. Here we go.
Susie, I just realized you never mentioned what exactly we are making.
Something got stuck to your back. See?
Oopsie.
Well, I know exactly what we can do with it. Whoosh! Check this out.
That's brilliant, Sue! I mean, that's exactly why I brought it here in the first place.
Yeah, that's what we all thought, right, guys? Anyway, let's proceed with our craft. And once again, it was inspired by an extremely popular video game, Five Nights at Freddy's.
Susan, either my eyes are tricking me or you're making a Monty Gator! Once again!
Actually, this time it's gonna be his head only. And the lower jaw is ready. Well, almost. Now we're talking! Guys, it's better to deal with the design part of the craft before assembling the mechanism.
Mechanism? That sounds interesting! I'd stay tuned to see that, people!
Guys, this is gonna be the upper jaw of Monty Gator. You already know how to make it.
Don't forget to add this little cardboard construction on its top before decorating it. That is where his eyes are going to be.
Well done, Sammy. It's a perfect fit. Now that you've seen all this, let me show you one cool magic trick. Check out how bright it is now.
Whoa, that was awesome! Give us a thumbs up if you agree, guys! And subscribe!
And this is the first step toward the mechanism assembling. Here we go. Note that this tiny hook should be facing upwards.
Why the hook? Is this whole thing going to catch fish or something? Interesting.
Well, you could say that. But first, we're gonna need to make some kind of joints out of a plain wooden spatula.
Let's add some color to these pieces. Like this. Uh-huh. A little bit more. Sue, it's perfect!
Oh, you even made the openings. Great! And also, note that you're gonna have to make 2 openings on each side of the craft. Be careful and don't poke yourselves.
All right, you craft. I'm gonna solve your riddle. You'd better watch out. All right, I'm ready. Hiya! Take that. Sue, I almost did it.
Still, you were great, Sammy. Maybe you should take a break?
If you insist.
Oh, this might come in handy.
Hey!
You didn't think that we would let our Monty stay that simple, did you, Sammy? Guys, always use only clean props for your crafts.
So, is it that tricky mechanism you mentioned earlier, Susie?
Yup, this construction will serve both as a lever and as Monty Gator's tongue. You see?
Shiver me cheddars. Where did you see a tongue like that? I'll have to do everything by myself.
Here, try this.
Right! Thank you, Sue! And done! It looks great!
Wow, you did a great job, Sammy! Am I right, guys? Support our little creative slime with the thumbs up and don't go anywhere!
All right, ladies! Who is ready to sacrifice their hairdo?
Sammy, what are you doing?
Oh, Sue! You told me to find something stretchy, and what's more stretchy than a scrunchie? stretchy.
Or a regular rubber band?
Oh.
Now I'm gonna show you how it's done. There is nothing complicated here. Just make this kind of a knot and you're good to go. Now check this out. I've made a couple more openings in our craft so that we could easily secure this tongue-like construction in it.
Let's do this, Susie! We can't wait to see how it's all gonna work!
Here we go, all the way through the straw. And that's it! Guys, don't forget to secure both ends of this wooden stick to make it sturdy. I wonder where Sammy is and why he isn't helping me.
Who said that? Open that mouth and be amazed!
Oh, really? Sammy, when did you manage to add this?
I have my own secrets! Ha!
Aren't you a slick little slime?
I am!
Guys, you need to be very careful at this stage. Here we go.
That step will make the jaws clench tightly!
Rawr!
Ah! Holy cannoli! Susan!
Sorry, I just couldn't resist. About that, we need to create some kind of resistance here as well. This will secure our mechanism.
Susie, I've been told that Monty Gator doesn't look like himself so far.
Uh-huh. And what do you suggest we do about that?
The decor, of course! Aha! Well. Let's see. Yup, I guess we can make some improvements.
Let's get to it then. We'll start with something bright. A star, for example. Because our character wears some star-shaped glasses, as you all know. There we go. Hop, hop. Whoosh! That's right.
You're doing great, Sue!
Hey, Sammy! I need your help!
What is it? I'm on it!
In the meantime, I'm gonna deal with the eyes. Monty Gator defo can't do without them. So let's draw 2 circles. One, and here's another one.
Sue, help me! I don't see anything!
Cut it out, Sammy! If you didn't notice, I'm trying to work here. These are gonna be the eyelids. Just try to draw them evenly. Here's another one. I think I did great. Now we'll cut them out. Awesome! All we're missing is a pair of pupils.
Sue, what are you talking about?
This!
You got me!
Oh, Sammy. But let's finally assemble everything.
Does this mean that we're almost done with our cool craft?
Kind of. We just need some eyebrows to give him a more meaningful look.
Are you talking about something like this?
You look remarkable!
You bet!
Much better. Just one little thing. Sam, can you guess what this is gonna be?
It kind of looks like the eyelashes?
Not at all. This is gonna be his bright hair. So, Sammy, now we can really put everything together.
Then it's my time to shine! Watch and learn, Sue! Get ready to be amazed! Well, what do you say, Susan?
What is this all about?
What?
Is this some kind of prank or what? You messed everything!
It's not a prank! I'm an artist! That's how I see it!
Ugh, I'll fix that myself. Here! Now we're talking!
Then let's have a closer look at it!
Here we go!
Ah! We need help! Don't worry, Sue! I'll save you!
Sam, come back! It was a joke! Guys, you can check out our craft in all its glory! Hello, Dr. Sam! Please save my alligator from a devastating toothache!
Well, sure. Let me assess the whole damage. Aha! I see where the problem is. I'll fix it now!
Sammy!
Uh-oh! What happened?
I guess it wasn't my best prank.
I guess I need some rest.
Thanks for being with us today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a ton of thumbs ups. Bye-bye!